Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your data. Back up everything to an external drive or cloud so you can wipe the device without loss. Once done, use a second computer to install the Chromebook recovery utility and create a recovery USB for your exact model. This is why the model number matters. Make sure your Chromebook is charged and note how to enter recovery mode. These first actions prepare the recovery media and hardware so you can remove Windows cleanly and reinstall Chrome OS. You now boot into recovery mode using the Chromebook key combo. Insert the recovery USB and follow the prompts to reinstall Chrome OS. During this process, the utility will detect the drive and overwrite existing partitions, which effectively removes Windows. If you previously enabled developer mode or legacy boot, (cBIOS), make sure you disable those options first so the recovery can restore the stock firmware and partition table. Take your time with prompts. The reimage step rewrites firmware entries and the OS to ensure Windows is gone. Once the recovery completes, your Chromebook will reboot into a clean Chrome OS setup. Go through the initial configuration and then restore your backed up files. Make sure to check system settings to confirm firmware is stock and legacy boot is off. If something goes wrong, first try a different USB stick and recreate the recovery image for your exact model. Mismatched images or faulty media are the most common causes of failure. If problems persist, re-download the recovery and repeat the process step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.